Severe thunderstorms are going to impact eastern Australia over the next few days, bringing significant and disruptive weather to parts of Queensland and New South Wales. This is the radar imagery from late this morning, Thursday morning, showing an area of thunderstorms just south of the state border. Now, these storms are forecast to move offshore in the next hour or two, but throughout Thursday afternoon, more storms are forecast to develop. So we'll get right into the thunderstorm outlook for the day. The green areas show where we might see thunderstorms which are not severe, but the main focus for severe weather will be in the yellow and red areas. So let's zoom in for a slightly closer look. Severe thunderstorms through Thursday afternoon are likely to occur in this red area, which stretches from Gympie into the far northern tablelands across the state border into New South Wales. Severe thunderstorms are possible in the yellow area, which goes up through the Wide Bay Burnett and into the southern Capricornia and extends further south into the northern tablelands, nearly as far as Tamworth. For most areas, note that these yellow and red areas are a little bit away from the coast, suggesting those highest risk areas in southeast Queensland are the Gold Coast hinterlands, the Lockyer Valley and the Eastern Downs, as well as western parts of Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast. Where severe storms do develop today, they can bring a wide array of weather impacts. For today, we are expecting no different, with damaging to destructive winds possible with these storms. That means we could easily see gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour, potentially up over 120 kilometres. Large to giant hailstones are possible, meaning we may see hailstones in excess of 5 centimetres across, which can also cause significant damage. There could also be some heavy rain, which may lead to localised flash flooding. Rainfall today doesn't look to be as big of a risk as it has been in some of the recent storm outbreaks, but isolated spots could still see 50 to 70 millimetres underneath these thunderstorms. If you don't have a storm move overhead, then you'll probably stay in the single digits, or you might get no rain at all. Some of the major impacts expected with today's storms are damage to property. That can range from outdoor furniture and fences through to trampolines and possibly even things like roof tiles and roof lights if that wind really cranks up. Areas that do see heavy rain could see road closures and detours, potentially even caused by some large hail. And we can also see damage to crops, trees, property and power lines with the combination of wind, rain and hail. It will be another stormy afternoon on Friday. This is now tomorrow's chart, with severe storms possible in northeast New South Wales and likely for a smaller area through the Wide Bay Burnett region in Queensland. Possible severe storms stretching up into the central tablelands as well. And while we're at it, we'll take a quick look at how the weekend is shaping up. The risk across New South Wales diminishes quickly during the weekend because of this high pressure area which builds east of the country. However, there will still be a trough lingering through central parts of Queensland where further storm development is likely. It currently looks like that will miss the southeast, but parts of the Central Coast, Wide Bay up into central and even western Queensland could be in line for a stormy weekend. So a few days where it will be a good idea to keep an eye on your forecast, the weather radar and any severe thunderstorm warnings that get issued near your neighbourhood. All that information is available on the Bureau website. Thanks for checking in and watching this video.